Innovative learning technologies for the injection molding industry. That's our topic for today. And again, thank you for joining the Moldex 3D webinar series for this month. My name is Torsten Kruse. I am in the business of obviously, running simulations for the injection molding industry using Moldex 3D, but we also produced an online training series under Kruse Training. And innovative learning technologies is very important to really pay attention to. We always have to remember the injection molding industry is a very, very complex and manufacturing technology that encompasses the part design, the mold design, the processing, the machine, the polymer material, the person that obviously designs and runs the molding machine. So there's a lot of different factors that we have to really understand to be able to be an expert in injection molding. And we'll try to unravel this a little bit and look at some innovative learning technologies we have developed in conjunction with Moldex 3D that will help the industry really understand what's at stake. So as I mentioned, injection molding is a very, very complex behavior. We're dealing with the part design, the mold design, the process, and machines. And for that, we basically try to create a easy path of learning. We call this the circle of knowledge. What we would like to accomplish with the circle of knowledge is basically developing a platform of knowledge, a resource that you really can go to get information as you need it, to design a better part, design a better mold, understanding the molding process, and put this all together into a context. So the importance here is understanding cause and effect behaviors in injection molding. We all know that the material will influence the pressures inside of the mold. The material will influence also the cooling behavior of a part, etc., etc. So very complex behaviors. So what's important for us is understanding the part requirements. If you design a new molded part, you need to really understand the molded part requirements. What's the quality supposed to be? What are the dimensional structure, etc., etc. So for that,